Hey guys, watch how I made $15,000 trading NFP. Don't forget to click the subscribe button now, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button now. Stay tuned, guys.
Um, First of all, I do my analysis. I first of all go to the monthly time frame, right? So on the monthly time frame, man, look at the market. This is how the market is looking like. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, we can say that the market is actually on downtrend. Okay, this is what the monthly looks like. Okay, we can say the monthly is actually a downtrend. So without wasting much of the time, let's jump quickly to the weekly time frame. Okay, so guys, I'm currently in a hurry because of the news in front of us. Okay, because I want to trade the news, but I want to trade it with you. So this is weekly time frame, and then the weekly time frame is still telling us a sell because we have seen a break of structure here. Okay, and then a pullback, and then another break of structure right here. Okay, so but looking like we have, okay, so the weekly time frame is still telling us the same thing. So I'm going to delete that quickly. So now in a bigger structure, we know that this market is a sell. So let's see for what we are going to trade today. So I'll go to daily time frame now, but on the daily time frame, I'm seeing something quite different, right? I'm seeing a market that has broken this structure of sell, and then is currently going up. Okay, so this particular line I'm drawing, okay, was broken or has been broken. Okay, this was a downtrend that got broken. You can see this downtrend got broken and the market is actually now going up. So I'm going to delete that as well. And then let me draw, okay, the current market. So when we are doing analysis, we focus on the current market after checking previous price actions. So this is what the current market is telling us. So let's connect our dots. Okay, so this is what the current market is showing us, what I'm seeing actually. So what I'm seeing in this market is, sorry, let me, yeah, better. So what I'm seeing in this market is an uptrend already. Okay, and we have our points, which is this. I'm going to be noting that with the cycle, and I'll be changing the color to color red. Okay, all these points, second point, and then the third point. Okay, so the market is currently at the third point. So let's see what is going to happen today at the third point. I think we have 16 minutes left for the news. Okay, so quickly I'll go to 4 hours. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, I'm seeing something very interesting. Okay, something very interesting. So the reason why I'm going to be trading this market, I'm going for a buy during the news is I'm seeing a break of structure right here. Okay, and I'm seeing the market actually still breaking another structure right here. Okay, so my first bias was that there's a turning point at this zone, right? At this zone, there's a turning point. And second reason why I'm buying is because I've seen the first break of structure, I've seen the second break of structure, right? So, and overall, we are in an uptrend on daily time frame. So what I'll look for now is my point of interest. So let's go to 2 hours. Let's see what we find on 2-hour time frame. So on the 2-hour time frame, we notice that this has actually been on a downtrend for a couple of days, or let's say some weeks now. We have been on a downtrend. Let's say a week plus. Okay, this week we make it 2 weeks that we have been on a downtrend. So I think it is time for us to break the trend and then move up. So there's a cycle I want to draw here. The reason why you're seeing this outside of my trend is because that is actually what we call fake out, right? That is fake out. So this yellow cycle is fake out, market faked out, right? It gave a fake information, a fake technical information to buyers. Okay, so he took them out and then started going back as a sell. So now we know at this point I'll be looking for another reason for my buy. So another confirmation for my buy is that this is an order block. Okay, because this was the last block before the market reversed back up during a mini sell. So this is an order block. And then market came down to tap into the order block. So the order block is the one with the ash color that I'm drawing, right? So market came back down to tap into this block. And now just take a look at my charts, right? Take a look at this chart. This is another block, this ash color box. So market came back down, tap into this ash color box. Now there's a reversal zone, which is this red cycle, right? As another second confirmation. Now there is a downtrend, okay, that is aligning with this trend, okay, this uptrend where this reversal cycle is. Now that is telling us that markets during this news in the next 15 minutes, NFP news, market can actually break this zone above. But I will not jump into the trade. So what I'll do right now is to go to 1 hour time frame. Let's see. Let's modify the market, right? Let's modify the market and draw it better. And then draw it better. Okay, we have been able to draw it better. So I'm going to make this one a bit small so that it will not disturb us. So this is what I've seen the market do. Now, for those that trade head and shoulder pattern, you know that this is head and shoulder. This is head already forming. This is shoulder, and then this is right shoulder. So what I'll be waiting for is a break of the structure. But I will have to draw another block right here again, just in case market sell back to this zone. Okay, so the news is in the next this is 1:29, so the news is in the next few minutes, right? We have about 11 minutes left. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do. Either the markets come back, tap into the zone, all right, and then boom, we start seeing the massive buy, or the market where it is break the zone, then pull down, and then so any of the direction this market is going to take, right, we are going to trade it. The market should actually turn and then give us this zone. So at this point, I'm ready to trade this market. So I'm going to be setting my I have 2 entries, right? I'm going to be setting my buy limit and then my buy stop. So my buy limit is going to be at this ash color box. Okay, that's where my buy limit is going to be, at this ash color box. So let's see what happens. So this is my expectation in the market. So guys, if you're ready to trade this market with me, check my group. Okay, if you're not my group, sorry, this information I'm posting it in my group. Okay, I'm recording it here. I've already posted it to my group. I'm recording it here, and then I'm telling you, subscribe to my channel and follow me up, okay, so that you will always get all my information, my technical information, anytime I, you know. anytime I send out my technical information. So my stop loss for this market is actually 57 pips. My expected trade take profit is 450 pips. Okay, so my stop loss is a big wide, and that's why I'm using small lots. So my expected take profit is 450 pips. So even if you use one lot size, okay, you will earn 4,500 pips. And then if you lose, if I use one lot size and I lose, I will lose only $500, $570. But if the market go right, according to my analysis, which I think is going to go right now, we have how many minutes left? 8 minutes left, which is going to go right. I'll hold the markets and then I'm going to make about $4,500. So for some of you that have a very huge account, you can use 10 lots, you can use 100 lots. Okay, so I'm going to go to smaller time frame now. Let me see what the market is actually saying. Now, for those of you that trade head and shoulder pattern, now you will agree with me that this cycle right here is already our head. Okay, let me continue from there. And this hash color box, I'm drawing another hash color box. This is our shoulder. So at this point, we can say truly the market is going to buy. Truly the market is going to buy, because from every bias, from every analysis, technically, fundamentally, the market is going to buy. So guys, stay in here and then let's watch together how this market will play out in the next 7 minutes. Boom, boom, boom. So this is me record my live analysis, how I do my analysis, how I trade my market, how I come about my technical outlook. Okay, and for some of you that have been with me, I've shown you guys some technical way of trading news, right? And looking at it now, it's true. We have gotten our technical confirmation of trading news, like right here, complete, guys. So I want to go to 15 minutes. Let me see what 15 minutes is saying. Can you see? This is complete head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder pattern we're seeing, right? Like this is head, this is shoulder, this is the right shoulder forming already. So hopefully the market will sell a little and then buy back up, or from here we can just continue our buy. So I've already set my stop buy limits. Yeah, buy limits. And then I've also set my buy stop. So my buy stop is like this zone. For some of you that want to buy, anyway, I'm only recording this video. It's already late. Okay, I sent out the message to my channel already. So my buy stop is at this zone. Okay, this is where my buy stop is, because I know once the market started buying, to buy massively. Come on, currently you are seeing that market is even buying. Okay, that's what market usually do when it's about news time. So let me go to a more lower time frame. So let's see what the market is going to play out from this time. So we have about 5 more minutes to go. Man, the market is really moving up. It's showing you a sign of buy. All right, that's another thing you need to know when trading news. Market will be showing you the sign. Now, market is currently showing us a sign of buy already from this point. Now, all our technical outlook, my technical outlook to you now is correct. Okay, so market is showing me, and of course you're watching this, a buy signal, right? A buy signal. So now if you will agree with me that this is previous support turned to previous resistance again, now currently being turned to support. So all my technical outlook is saying this market is going to buy. Once the news come out, the market is going to buy. So let's stay on our 30 minutes and let's see what the market is going to become. So I'm going to draw another expectation block right here, and then we stop this one at this point, and then we move this one right here. So I'm going to delete these ones. Yeah. So either way the market go, we are still right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to minimize. The reason is because I want to get to my Telegram and then let people know that I'm expecting a buy. I'm so happy, man, guys. I'm really so happy. Okay, I'm happy trading this. I'm happy also recording my live chat. How I'm expecting. See, guys, man, you just have to follow me. You just have to follow me. You just have to follow me. All right. So let's stay in here. We have about 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes to go. And then we will see the result of the market. Okay. I think market might sell just a little and then we buy massively. Or from this zone, market might buy massively. Okay, you'll be wondering why I'm not checking the fundamental data, right? It's because I've already checked it. So, and the screen I'm currently sharing is another screen, right? So just 1 minute left for the market to go to the direction it will go. So let's do the countdown. Okay, we have about 20 seconds left. We have 19. Woo, guys. So you're just going to follow me right now. Don't forget, click the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button now. Now. Please do it now. Click it now. Okay, the market is going to react right now. And then, boom. Okay, so like I said, market can sell a little. And then it started buying, guys. Market is currently buying. Look at it, guys. Okay, so at this point, I do not care what will happen any longer because I know the market is going to massively buy. Do you understand? I don't care whether the market fluctuates anymore. Market is going to massively buy. I mean, let me go to a lower time frame from that, and then I'll show you. Are you seeing this, guys? So at this point, I know market is going to massively buy. So market is approaching my entry already. So yeah. So market has picked my entry. So guys, come on. If you're not following me right now, you're making the biggest mistake. Okay. If you're not following me right now, you're making the biggest mistake because my analysis are right. My analysis are correct. I always analyze a good market and a correct market. So this market we keep buying. You see, market already gave us a sign of buy. Okay, so we are 1 minute ahead of what just happened. So at this point, we're waiting for the second data to be released. Okay, so the first data just released and the market gave us a sign of buy. So we are waiting for second data to be released. And then you're going to see a massive pumping, like massive pumping. I expect the market to break this, trend and then keep buying. Like I've shown to you, I've seen all my technical charts being correct. Like I've seen all the technical buyers for a buy in this market. So me trading this news and making money right now, it's not because I have a feeling. I did not feel it. Like all my technical tools used buyers are correct, guys. Okay, so let's stay in here. So for some of you guys that went into the market with me, you should already be in some profits. I mean, my people in my community will be happy right now because they'll be in some profit because we actually got in earlier than now. I don't know why people are selling the market. Like, I'm surprised people are selling the market. Like, if you check the market technically, you should know that technical outlook, though I know on a larger scale, the market is going to sell, like on the monthly. That's why right from time, I started to show you the monthly and the weekly, right? I started to show you the monthly and the weekly. And then boil down to the daily and then to the 1 hour, where we started to see that the market will buy. Okay, so I don't know why people are selling this market. I'm seeing a buy from the structure. And I believe those also trading gold, okay, should be buying gold by now. All right, you can see what the market is doing, guys. So subscribe to my channel right now if you want to learn how to do this exactly by yourself. Okay, you want to learn how to trade the way I'm trading. Look at the market, guys. What a massive buy. All right, what a massive buy we had. So now there are a lot of people saying this is sell at this point. Okay, a lot of people are saying this is sell at this point. I do not see that as a sell, right? I see it as a trap. I see it as a trap. I see the market buying massively. Okay, I see it as a trap because this is a lower time frame, and lower time frames are most of the time very noisy and confusing. Okay, so I see now look at what the market is doing. Come on, just have a look at what the market is doing. So after pulling a bullish candle over how many pips? Okay, from our entry, a bullish candle of over 50 pips, right? About 50 pips. Now market started showing a sign of bearish candle, which is this red candle you are seeing. Now, I think at this point, which is this zone, because the market broke this is a lower time frame amount. So for those that are wondering if I know how to trade a lower time frame, come on, I'm a technical trader. I know how to trade all the time frames you can think of. So market already broke this zone. And now that market has broken this zone, I do not think markets will sell. Okay, market already broke this zone. So market should keep buying. So the only thing is that we have a resistance at this point where market actually came to. And at this zone, I don't think market should sell further. I think market should buy further from this zone. So I don't deal with lower time frame, right? So I'm going to go back to my higher time frame. Maybe I'll just post it at 15 minutes. Okay, let's stay at 15 minutes. Or let's go back to 45 minutes. So that's exactly how I trade my market. And at this point, my market is currently doing well. Focus on the market, guys. I'm checking my phone. Let me see how my market is doing. The right shoulder. So anyhow method you use in trading, I've just been able to prove to you that technical analysis works very well during news trading. Okay, technical analysis works very well, and this is what they call confluence in trading, right? Different method, different reason why you should trade the market to whichever direction you want. Guys, do you think I'm right? So the only way you can actually live a good life as a Nigerian is to earn in dollar right now. In the present economy, you have to earn in dollars. That's the only way you can actually live a good life. You can get what you want. And one way to earn in dollar is by trading on the international markets, financial markets. That's one way you can earn in dollar. Okay, that is one way you can earn in dollars. And I'm telling you, there's a lot of opportunity out here when you're trading in dollars. Guys, I'm waiting for the break. Now, market got to that zone. It's not breaking it. I'm waiting for the break. So let's see how many pips we have made so far. We have made so far 65 pips. That's nice. So we still have about 46, 40, 45 pips to go, right? No, we still have about 35, 36 pips to go for us to get to 100 pips. So I'm still here and I'm waiting. This zone need to be, see, I just want this zone to be broken. Like market need to break this red zone, this red color. This red color you're seeing, I don't know why it's not. This red color, I'm going to make it more thick, like more thick. Yeah, market need to break this zone. Okay. Woo! Massive profit, guys. Massive profit. See, just don't worry. Stop looking at me, right? Click the follow button right now. Click the subscribe button. Just take a look at the market, what the market is doing. So while we were here, I was telling you that the market is a buy. Some people were selling. I don't know why they were selling. I mean, you cannot actually sell this market. You see the red candle is pulling right now. It's fake, right? Market is not going to sell. Market is going to buy. All right. Look at it. It has changed to green. Like I say, market is going to buy. It's not going to sell. Even if you pull a sell candle downward, market is still going to buy. Okay. So, yeah. As long as market already broke this zone, as long as market already broke this zone, then the market is going to buy massively. Don't worry, forget about the red candle. That's the same thing this one here did. So I'll be waiting for the market to massively buy. I'm still waiting for this zone to get broken. It's a strong zone. You notice market go to that zone and it's reversing. It shows it's a strong zone. So I'm still in here. And then I'm waiting. This is it. I'm still in here and then I'm waiting. I'm waiting. We have spent a lot of time here already. So I'll just wait in the next 4 minutes. Whatever reaction I see, then I end the meeting, right? I end the meeting and I go ahead and share it with you on my YouTube. That's the time you'll be seeing this actually. So I'll still be here until it's 2. For now, let me see what is going to happen. I'm still waiting for that zone to be broken. Woo! So follow me, guys. Subscribe to my channel right now. And then, yeah, show interest in learning, and then I'll be willing to teach you. So another thing I want to say is, as a trader, you have to really know the trend. Okay, if you trade according to the trend, most and all of the time, you will be trading right. Anytime you trade according to the trend, you will be trading right. Yeah, because the trend is where the money is. Anytime, I repeat, anytime you trade according to trend, you will be trading right because the trend is where the money is. All right. So for a record purpose, just know that don't ever trade against the trend. Trade with the trend. Any time you trade along the trend, you will be trading right. Don't trade against the trend. Trade with the trend. Don't forget. So I have 2 more minutes to spend here, and then I'll close this record. So, but I hope in that next 2 minutes, I see a good reaction that will break this zone, or else I'll still be here watching on my system, right? On my setup. I have a setup right here, so I'll just be here watching. Don't forget, click the subscribe button right now. Okay, that's what I needed to do. So click the subscribe button right now, right away. Right away. Okay, so we still have about 2 more minutes to go. So we have about, okay. So let's see what happened. So I told you not to mind that red candle, right? If I have to go back to the lower time frame again, you see it. Don't mind the red candle. There's a lot of noise in the markets trading lower time frame. Look at it. Now it's pulling up another green candle. Can you see? So don't mind the red candle. Just trade your analysis and trade what you see. Trade the charts. So I'm still in here waiting. We have 1 more minute to go. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel. Okay, so market has pulled out another candle, and then boom. So we'll be waiting for, I'll actually be here watching what the market is going to do right now. So whether it will pull, it will break this structure, or it will retrace back to this zone before buying. So I'll be in here watching the market, and any other technical outlook that I have, I'm also going to share it in your inbox. And I'm also going to share it to the YouTube page right now. So guys, have a wonderful time. Don't forget, click the subscribe button. That's what I need from you, okay? Click the subscribe button right now. Like right now, I'm super excited to trade this market live. Okay, I'm recording it and then I'll be posting it. I'm really, really, really so excited. So that everyone will see that I actually trade news technically. It's not about reading the fundamental data. We were all here together, though I've checked my fundamentals as well. So, guys,